Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo V15 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's go to settings and now go to fingerprint, face and password. Firstly let's go to screen lock, enter your current screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got many types of passwords. Non-swipe, 4-digit password, 6-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password, pattern and mixed password. We are going to use each one of them except the 6 and 4 to 16-digit passcode, because basically they are the same as the 4-digit passcode. The only thing which is different is of course the length of the password. So let's start with none. And now let's select swipe. Both of them are non-security. Then let's select this 4-digit password. And now let's select complex password. Now you have to enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern. And to create pattern, you have to connect at least 4 dots. Now let's proceed to biometrics, and the first biometric we are going to set is fingerprint. Select unlock and start inputting. Scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now scan edges of your fingerprint. In the end, let's select face unlock. Select unlock. And now scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.